Hey guys, Patrick here. Welcome back to another lesson where we learn Chinese through headlines. Today's headline is pretty interesting, especially if you're a fan of video games. Let me share my screen and show you. Here it is. 玩游戏提升智力. Let's break this headline down step by step. So, 玩游戏玩 to play, 游戏 games. So in the Chinese context, usually 玩游戏 means playing video games. For kids' activities like playing hide and seek or on a slide, we say 做游戏, not 玩游戏. If we're talking about specific types of games like board games, we say 玩桌面游戏, playing board games or playing tabletop games. But as a standalone phrase, 玩游戏 typically refers to playing video games. The second word, 提升 means to raise, to improve, or to increase. Examples, 提升水平 to improve your level, 提升水平 or 提升能力 to increase your ability. For example, 我的英语水平提升了。我的英语水平提升了。我的英语水平提升了。You can even say 玩游戏可以提升我的英语水平。玩游戏可以提升我的英语水平。Playing video games can improve my English. And it's true. Yeah, it is true. I actually improved my English. Next word, 智力 So 智力 is intelligence or IQ, 智力. Putting it all together, the headline, 玩游戏提升智力 means playing video games increases intelligence. Do video games really make you smart? Honestly, I'm skeptical. If gaming truly increases intelligence, wouldn't you eventually become smart enough to realize spending hours playing isn't great for your health or social life? At that point, wouldn't you just stop? But if you stop gaming, does your intelligence stop improving too? And that's the paradox. It's a bit self-contradictory, don't you think? This makes me question studies like this. It reminds me of those old claims like drinking wine every day is good for your health. Many of those studies turn out to be funded by wine companies. Could gaming companies be doing the same thing? Some people love studies like this because they justify their habits. Gamers might say, look at PewDiePie. He played video games, became a millionaire, and now he's one of the most famous YouTubers in the world. This kind of mindset isn't unique. It's actually common in gaming culture. Many kids believe they are talented enough to turn gaming into a career. In China, former sport players have even opened gaming clubs to challenge these kids. The idea is simple. Let the kids test their skills against the pros. Unsurprisingly, these pros easily beat them, showing how hard it is to succeed in sports. At the end of the day, gaming can be fun, but it's all about balance. It's great to relax, but don't let it take over your life. After all, life is about experiencing everything, not just video games. Okay, let's have a quick review of what we learned today. 玩游戏提升智力。玩游戏提升智力。玩游戏 playing video games. 提升 to raise or improve. 智力 intelligence. So put it all together. 玩游戏提升智力。Playing video games increases intelligence. So what do you think? Do video games really make you smarter, or is this just a marketing trick? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and easy Chinese lessons. See you next time. Bye bye.